So let's look at how to pronounce Polish, as in from Poland, and polish, as in the verb to polish something. First of all, we use a capital letter, uppercase P, for Polish. That's one clue, which word we're talking about. Of course, context is always going to tell you as well. And for Polish, we have the O saying the O diphthong. So it's just like in phone or road. So you can think about it like O. It's stressed on the first syllable, po. And then we just have the I sound, the ul sound, the I sound, and the sh sound. So Polish. With the po being longer and stressed and the lish being shorter. Versus polish, we say the ah sound. We spell the ah sound with letter O. That's the most common spelling for the ah sound. So we're stressed here. I'm going to rewrite that with letters AH for you. So polish. In the IPA, you're going to see the A for the ah sound, and the rest of the word will be the same. So the only difference really is that first vowel. Spelling is no different except for the uppercase letter. Think about using a matching word like go Polish and not polish, ah and O to help you with that.